Take a look at what's going on with the forecast for the weekend. Things will be warming up, and the temperatures over the next 7 days will generally be staying above freezing. This is our Skycam time lapse from this evening. Man, did you see the sunset tonight? Stunning. And of course, we have a bird's eye view of it thanks to our CSU Skycam. Here comes the thaw. This is the real story for the weekend. We will see the temperatures getting into the 40s and the 50s. Once we go above freezing, get ready. The melt will be taking place. And all of that snow that is lying around, and hopefully all of the ice that is coating everyone's driveways and sidewalks will begin to melt away. That water gets down into our local waterways. That means creeks, rivers, streams, ditches, all going to be rising. And as we continue to thaw out, we will also have rain coming in, and that will mean the potential for some ice jam flooding. So the first thing is to remember, clear the snow away from the drains so you don't get any standing water right around where those drains go. Near creeks and rivers and streams and even ditches, keep an eye out for those ice jams. They can cause huge problems, very quick rise in the water behind those ice jams, and that has caught a lot of people off guard over the years. And just because you can, if you're one of the people who followed some of our little tips and we suggested you add a little bit of air to your tires on your car, well, now you need to check that tire pressure again, because now that the temperatures are coming up, that air inside the tire will start to expand, the pressure goes up, and you would have overinflated tires, which is almost as bad as underinflated tires. Here's a look at where temperatures stand right now. Look at 2 in Worcester, but notice that the wind chill matches the air temperature. That's a sign of calm wind. When the wind is calm, it allows the coldest, heaviest, densest air to go right down to the surface. That's where we are, and so that's why we achieve the coldest temperatures. We do generally have a southeasterly flow, and that southeasterly flow will eventually come around to the south as we have a big push of warmer air that will be building in. Once we get into that, that's when we'll start to see those temperatures spiking up into the 40s and the 50s. That's also going to push the storm track farther north. So we have a great day coming tomorrow. And once we get into the latter part of the weekend, that's when we start to have some of the rain chances catching up to us. Universal Windows Direct forecast has us clouds and sun and 40. We'll be up around 50 then with a drizzle chance on Sunday. Monday, the next chance of rain really starts to come in later in the day, highs in the mid-50s. That's going to feel like summertime. Then we get back into the 30s for Tuesday, Wednesday. We're keeping an eye on our local rivers, though. Quick peek into the upper 40s on Thursday, then back to more typical weather for this time of the year as we round out next weekend. Back to you.
All right, Betsy, thank you.